Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you a unique shipping container home in Denver, Colorado, United States. Welcome back. This beautiful modern container home features an open plan layout, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and is a guest house to a main house also built using shipping containers. The home features an open plan layout with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a big outdoor space. The container house is built using two 40-foot recycled shipping containers set apart with a stick-built center portion connecting the two containers. Since the house is elevated atop a garage, a single-flight steel staircase connects to a sheltered front porch to the house. The front porch can also serve as an outdoor dining spot to chill and relax. The main door opens into a bright open-plan living space. The open-plan living area accommodates a classy lounge space fitted with modern furnishings, comfortable couches, handmade coffee table, a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and an electric fireplace to keep the house warm during chillier months. From the lounge area is a U-shaped modern kitchen. The kitchen is fully furnished with quality stainless steel appliances, custom-designed cabinets for maximum storage, quartz countertops, and a stylish kitchen backsplash. The kitchen also has a breakfast bar big enough to seat up to 4 people. Next to the kitchen is a laundry alcove fitted with a washer and dryer, plus enough storage space. Off the kitchen is the first bedroom. This spacious room accommodates a comfortable double bed, an adequately sized closet, and a high-level slit window for privacy without compromising on daylighting. From the first bedroom is an up-to-date bathroom that features a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, a vanity, and a big bathroom mirror. The second bedroom features a comfortable twin over a queen bed, appointed with essential furnishings. The industrial finishes comprise the main decorative style in the house, including the exposed corrugated ceilings to celebrate the industrial charm of the house. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are equally visible on the outside, bringing out the industrial nature of the building blocks. This beautiful home is great for smaller families or friends and is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.